What's going on, everyone? Sam here with Layton Sports Cards. Been one box of 23 Topps Composite Football Blaster for Mr. John M. Good luck here, John. Let's do it, my friend. See what we got in here for you. Composite Football Blaster. On. Oh, did you knee bomb again? And today's one of those days. All right, we got a Brady base. There's a Ray Lewis Midnight. Nice one there, my guy. Kurt Warner and a Earl Campbell. Oh, yeah? Where you going, Noah? And how come? John Elway. Emmitt Smith. Refractor of Doug Williams. Nice one there. MJD and Voltaic of J.J. Watt. Tom Brady, Elway, Singletary, and Emmitt Smith. All right, I got Stephen Davis. There's a Terry Bradshaw on the pink. Nice one there. And pinks, I believe, are either retail or I think they're exclusive just to the Blasters, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go, Michael. Yeah, no, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. So many people transfer their first semester of freshman year, so that's not a crazy thing to do, and I get that too. I totally get that. Adrian Peterson on the Prism, I believe. Nice one there. Ray Lewis and Bryce Young. Jason Taylor, Bryce Young, and Anthony Richardson on the chrome. Dan Marino. What? One sec. Hold on. One sec. Hold on. Base. Anthony Richardson. Nice. Bo Jackson on the laser. That's sick. I don't think that's numbered, but that's really cool. An exclusive laser. Base. Sterling Sharp and a Keyshawn Johnson. That'll do it for your break there, Mr. John. Thanks again, as always, for the support, buddy. Get those right out to you, my man.